Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new, my name is Kevin. I don't normally do this kind of video talking about analytics and cash and money and that sort of thing. Normally I do stuff on my car, my 2013 Audi S5, which is sitting in the driveway right now. Subscribe if you're new, like the video, that sort of thing, blah, blah, blah. Let's get the intro out of the way. Also, go follow my Instagram. Woo boy, we're talking about money today. That's fun. That's a fun, taboo little topic nobody really talks about except for YouTubers, I feel like. You saw it in the thumbnail, you saw it in the title. So obviously you guys know like the monthly amount already, but I want to dive into how that number is actually added up and what factors cause certain things to be higher than others, certain times of the month. I don't know. Let's just get into it, okay? So let's go to the analytics. Everybody loves looking at analytics for some reason. This is my home screen on my analytics page. Obviously, you see the revenue from the last 28 days, $511.44. Now let's go actually further into the channel analytics and see what exactly that is made up of. So if I go to my revenue on the top of the screen, we see this $511.44, which I already said, RPM 825, and then playback based CPM. Now, let's just talk about what those mean. So obviously you have this like definition right here, and it means the cost per milli, which means the cost per 1,000 views. So this is what the advertiser pays to put ads on your videos. YouTube takes a cut of that ad revenue and then you get the rest. So as you see, RPM is different based on different days. Honestly, I have no idea how this is calculated. It's just kind of like the average of your views. And it seems like RPM goes up and down randomly, which is, not fun if you're trying to keep things consistent. But hey, there is nothing consistent about YouTube money, so I'll be the first to tell you that. What's important to know is the higher the RPM, the higher the cash. So as you can see, let's take December 29th, where it was $9.16. If we go over to the estimated revenue and go to December 29th, $22.56 in that one day. Now that is a high day for me. As you can see, I'm usually around $15, $18 for the month of December. Actually, that's the last 28 days. Let's go to the month of December 2020 and see my estimated revenue was $593.19. So in this top earning videos section, you can see what videos make the most and what videos don't make so much. I have one video doing particularly well right now, which is awesome. And let's click on that. Cool. 66,000 views since it was published, so that's pretty exciting. Gained 370 subscribers. I bet you there's some people out there right now that watched this video and subscribed to my channel because of it. And this video alone has made $557.61. I want to mention really fast, I'm not making this video to like brag or be weird about money, because that's obviously, like I mentioned earlier, like that taboo. Nobody likes talking about it, but this is a hobby for me, and in my last video I talked about this. I said I'm always going to be transparent about it, so let's just throw all that money awkwardness out of the way. So obviously, as you can see here in my views section, views go up as I work harder and put more time and effort into YouTube. That's just kind of with anything in life, but as you can see in August, I think August was the last month I made one of these like YouTube revenue and analytic videos, so I had 20,000 views in 1 month, but since then it has steadily increased to 68,906 views for the month of December. So that's pretty cool. Like to see upward growth. That's always awesome. And the revenue follows a similar pattern. August, I made $76.68. December, $593. So we talked about that RPM thing and how crazy and volatile it is. What goes into RPM? Honestly, no idea, but people like different subjects on YouTube. Reviews, I noticed, is one of them. So if we see this video, it has 5,800 views, which relative to my last video is not a ton, but my estimated revenue is $86.82, which is kind of high. So if we click on the revenue for this video and see the RPM, it's $15, whereas my average across the channel was what, $8.25, something like that. So the CPM 23, people just like putting ads on review videos and product videos because they know their audience is researching something to buy or something that they potentially want. So that's a really attractive platform for advertisers to use. So different videos have different RPMs. Some of the videos that I actually like making the most have really low RPM, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop making those videos for any reason. So if we do something like building a shop detailing bay. This one was super fun, super good project. I made $1 off this video. So if we go to the revenue, 848 RPM, it's not bad, but what does this video have? Like 100 views? Yeah, 125 views. Super fun video to make, not profitable at all. But I still love making them. Like I mentioned, I'm not gonna change the direction of my channel based on how much money I make. I never started YouTube for the money, and that's not gonna change. Which brings me to my next point. If you're starting YouTube, or if you're thinking about starting YouTube, don't do it for the money. It's not worth it, one, and it's not worth your time too, because if you're focused on a money-driven experience or a money-driven side hustle, YouTube's one of the last things you should do because of the time and effort required it takes to actually become partnered on YouTube. So to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So to get 1,000 subscribers, I'm not gonna say it's easy, but it's much easier than getting the watch hours. So if you take those 4,000 watch hours and divide it by 365 days, you're looking at 11 hours per day viewed on your video. So it's not a super easy thing to get into, but let's say you get that far, you get the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and you start to make some cash on your videos. Now, there is a threshold you need to pass to actually collect your money from YouTube. So you need $100 in Google AdSense. All right, so we're at the Google AdSense screen right now. You can see my last payment was $435.64. If we go to our payments, but wait a minute, Kevin, that didn't add up to what the thumbnail says. The YouTube ad revenue through Google AdSense is one thing, the Amazon affiliate marketing links are another. If you click the description of this video, you're gonna see a bunch of links. Now those are all Amazon links and they're affiliate marketing links. So what that means is if you click one of those and go buy something, I get a small commission of what you bought. So here we are at the homepage of this Amazon affiliate marketing website. So as we see in the last 30 days, I made $47.60 just off those Amazon links. So let's go to December and actually see how much I made so we can add this all up. All right, the green thingies are ordered items and earnings. Wow, $6.41 in one day, that's impressive. So as you can see, all December, people clicked on my links 1,481 times with 73 orders. Conversion percentage is usually around 5, that's about average. $1,000 in revenue, that is not how much I made though. The earnings, $42.25. So the shipped items revenue is the full amount of what people bought, and the earnings is my percentage. So that's around 4%, which is pretty average for this. I don't want to bore you guys with that sort of stuff though. So the important part is $42.25 in 1 month just using the Amazon affiliate links. So let's go to December 2020 and do a little math, shall we? $593.19 plus 42.25, bam, 593.19 plus 42.25 is $635.44 in December. I was uploading videos in like 2013, so this is something anybody can start. Anybody can do this, become a YouTube partner. It's totally free. I don't know, try it out, love it, hate it, do whatever you want. Click the like button on this video or dislike, whatever, doesn't matter to me. So in this video, we talked a little bit about YouTube money, what goes into it, how it's made, and Amazon affiliate marketing. We crammed a lot in. I hope it wasn't confusing. And we had a unique perspective because of my analytics. So obviously everybody's is different, but if we go to, let's see the last 365 days, just to all right. In the last 365 days, we had 316,000 views, 1,500 new subscribers, and 1,791 in revenue. Like I said, transparency is always gonna be something I value on this channel. And since I do this as a hobby, it's not a big deal to me to show you guys what you guys could do, how I've grown the last year and so on. So look at this. This is actually really funny. In the first month, these were the kind of numbers I was making. This is per day, mind you. So $1 per day, $2 per day, all the way up until like September, where I started making $5-6 a day. It went up to about 10, 15, and now it's steady at about 20. So, you know, hopefully that continues to go up just for the sake of the channel. Because like I said in my last finance kind of video, everything I earn on the channel is getting reinvested. YouTube is such a volatile place and such a crazy platform. If you break down my earnings into an hourly number, it is minuscule. So like I said earlier, I'm never going to change my YouTube channel in the direction it goes because of money. It's just a fun hobby for me. So if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.